Me and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I ordered something for me, something I found very interesting on internet. So I ordered for myself this cute viral cup. Oh my god, this is so much be interested. Look it, I just loved it. आई एम नॉट अ टी पर्सन बट ऐसा कप होगा तो टी पीने में क्या शर्म है. I just loved it. The quality, the finish, everything is good. Thumbs up for this product. And for me, the price is around 200 something. I think it's quite decent. And if you want this product, so I will share the link with you guys. So bye bye.